In this episode, we're talking landing page versus website and whether a landing page is more important than a website. So if you just dropped several $1,000s on a brand new website for your business or have the intention of doing this soon, you need to pay attention to this. Hey there, I'm Nataliya from nataliya.com. I own a digital marketing agency, and this channel is here to help you keep up with the pace of marketing and master the digital skills that you need to help your business thrive online. And today we're talking landing page versus website, and I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered what exactly is a landing page and how does it work? Or why do you even need a landing page when you just launched this gorgeous new website that costs a lot of money? So here's the truth about this. There's a common misconception among business owners that they think that they need this flashy, gorgeous, expensive website just in order to sell their products or to bring more clients into their services, when in fact, they really don't. So in this video, I'm going to clear that out and cover three things. First of all, I'm going to cover what is the difference between a landing page and a website. Second of all, I'm going to cover the three big reasons why a landing page might be way more important for your business, especially right now, than a website. And thirdly, I'm going to cover how do you know which one do you need? When is it the right time to actually invest in a website for your business versus when should you just go for a landing page that takes you 5 to 10 minutes to create, put it online, and call it a day? So that's what we're gonna cover, and we starting right now. So let's start with the first part, with understanding what exactly is the difference between a website and a landing page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna explain what a website is, then I'm gonna explain what a landing page is, and then I'm gonna dive into my computer and show you a real life example of a very famous and very successful influencer in my niche, and show you exactly how does she use a website versus how does she use a landing page in order to grow her business, right? So websites. The way that I like to explain websites to my clients is that a website is a collection of pages that's kind of like your business's brochure, in the way that it tells someone that's interested to learn more about you everything that they need to know about you, right? It tells all about who you are, what do you do, how do you do it, what kind of products do you sell? What kind of services do you have to offer? What makes you different from anybody else in the industry? What is your life story? How did you get to be where you are and who you are? What are your worldviews, right? What makes you different from every other person that's kind of like a competitive of yours in your niche? All of those pages are combined together into your website. So when someone hears about you, meaning they either heard about you from a third party that recommended you, or maybe they stumbled upon your content online and got into your website to learn more about you, they have all the different information that they need in order to get what they want, right? They come into your website, and your website will have entry points into those different pieces of information. It will have an entry point into your about page to learn more about you. It will have an entry point into your services page to learn more about what kind of services do you have to offer, etc., etc. That's your website. Now, a landing page, on the other hand, is not a collection of pages like your website is, but it's one specific page with one specific goal in mind. Every single landing page will only have one action that a person can take on this page, and this action is very strategic to your business and will usually put people inside of your buying journey, right? So two good examples of stuff that you can use landing pages for. You can build a landing page in order to collect leads into your email list. You will have a landing page with some kind of an offer, and the only thing that a person can do on this page is to either exit the page or leave their contact details and become a lead. Another example of something you can use your landing page for is to sell something, right? You can create a landing page with a sales message and sell a product or a service, and that's the only thing that a person can do on this page. Again, they can either leave or they can buy something, right? Now, let me give you a tangible real-life example of someone who utilizes both her website as well as her landing page in a very strategic and smart way. Her name is Marie Forleo. You can find her in marieforleo.com, and she's probably one of the most famous life coaches / business coaches in my niche, right? So when you go to a website called marieforleo.com, you will see immediately that you have a bunch of different things that you can do in this place. Let's say that you heard about Marie from a third party, or you found one of her YouTube videos, etc., etc. You came to her website to learn more about her. So right on the first section of her website, she gives you her worldview, right? The one thing that she believes which is the world needs that special thing that only you have. And right from the get-go, you see that I have a bunch of different things that I can do on this page. I can click on her about page if I want to learn more about her. I can go to her blog. I can go to a free training page. I can go to her shop to see what she has to offer. I can even click on this more link and see even more things that I can do, like see success stories, see about her giving back, learn more about how she rolls in her business, and more. Or I can simply scroll down and start to learn more about her. So the first section of her website, I can see that she tells me a little bit about herself. Hi, I'm Marie. This is what I do. Click here to learn more. And this specific link takes me to her about page or something like that. Then I'm going to scroll a little bit more down, and I see that she summarized what does she do in her business. Immediately, right out of the get-go, her website tells me what does she do. Scroll a little bit more below, and she has the first gateway into actually one of her landing pages, which I'm going to show you in a second. Let's say that I don't care about that. I'm going to scroll a little bit more down, and I can actually watch her TV show. And as you can see, her website, I can watch testimonials and success stories from her clients. I can see people who recommended her. Let's scroll a bit more. I can see one of her charities, one of her passion projects that she's a part of, etc., etc. So as you can see, her website is the entry point into her brand. There are a lot of different things that I can do on this website, unlike a landing page. Now, let's say that I clicked on this link here, which actually takes me to a landing page of hers. She has this free offer that she offers me, and she says, if you want this free offer, this free audio training, simply click this link. So I'm going to click the link and immediately land on her landing page. Now, immediately right out of the gate, you can see the difference, because her landing page, this landing page, has only one thing that I can do, which is to leave my name and email and click get it now. I can either do this or I can leave. I don't have any other choice. So whereas her website is a place where I can actually scroll and I have different things, I can read, I can check it out, and I have a lot of different choices, her landing page, let me open it again, just 1 second. Her landing page only gives me one option, right? That's the difference between a website and a landing page. Now let's talk about 3 different reasons why a landing page might be more important for your business right now than a website. So reason number 1 is that a landing page is that much more effective in building your email list than a website, right? When you think about a website, you enter through the door, you have a bunch of different things that you can actually do and click on and stuff like that. But there is only one thing that is the most important for your business to grow, and that thing is building an email list. I will create a whole other video about that and why is that important. But in a nutshell, it takes a person about 7 to 8 different times to see your sales message and to get to know you and to talk to you until they actually decide to become a buyer and a customers of yours. And in order for you to be able to actually reach out and contact that person, those 7 and 8 times that it's required for them to become a customer, you need to get them on your email list. And so a landing page, because it's so condensed and specific, for that purpose of building an email list, it's that much more effective in doing that than a website. Reason number 2 why a landing page is more important than a website, it's because it's also more effective in creating sales, right? When we launched my boyfriend's business, he's a yoga teacher, and the first thing we did when we first launched his website was we launched one landing page with a sales message to buy his product. Using this simple page, we made over $30,000 in less than 30 days using that page alone. No website, no nothing, because a landing page is more effective in making that action of selling happen than a website, again, for the same reason, because you don't have any distractions. Now, reason number 3 why a landing page is more important than a website is because a landing page directs a person through your buying journey in a very, very smart and strategic way. So whereas if you're going to send a person into your website, they can get confused, they can get overwhelmed, they will not know what to click, and eventually, according to research, they most likely will end up leaving without doing anything. By using a landing page, any kind of landing page, your odds of actually getting that action that you want the person to take are that much higher. Now let's talk about the third thing. How do you know which one do you need? How do you know if you need a landing page or if you need a website? Here's my advice. If you're just getting started with your business online, or if you're just taking your business online for the first time, I would recommend you create a landing page, and that's it. I call it the 2-page website because you have a landing page and then a thank you page after a person takes the action of the landing page. And in that landing page, I recommend offer someone something for free in exchange for them opting into your email list. That's the only thing you need to do if you're just starting out. Now, if you already have a landing page, if you already have a way for people to become a lead and to buy from you, and you've also creating content and people are starting to actually know you within your industry, now it is time to create a website, because more and more people will want to know more deeply about you than simply to opt into your list, right? So that's the golden rule. If you're just starting out, nobody knows who you are, the first thing you want is a landing page to get people on your list. If you're already known in your industry, if people already start to reference you, if people already start talking about you to your friends, if you have a lot of content online and you want a place to host it, etc., meaning if your business is ready for that next level, now it is time to build a website, right? And prerequisite for that, by the way, is you are already making money. You're already making sales in a consistent fashion, and now you are ready for that website to launch. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. I hope that you understood better what is the difference between a landing page and a website, and why a landing page is actually way more important than a website, especially if you're just starting out in business. Now, if you have any questions for me about this video or about anything, leave them in the comments below. I'm going to check it out and answer as fast as I can. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do this now, because I'm releasing so much content to help you grow your business online. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, yalla bye. Oh, by the way, before you go, if you're curious to see exactly how far can you and your business really go, and you want to explore the option of working with me one-on-one on your business, simply head over to nataliyaray.com/agency and learn exactly what I do, how I do it, and how I can help you take your business to new heights. Now, for reals, I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, yalla bye.